Good morning, everyone. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen and More, and I am about to make some roast beef hash for breakfast, along with some scrambled eggs. And these are the ingredients: parsley flakes, and the Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, and the all-purpose Cavender's Greek seasoning. And this is the butter that I'm using, black pepper, and I thoroughly washed this can. Guys, remember to wash your cans thoroughly because these cans may be in warehouses, on trucks, and rodents could have gotten to them. They're dusty, just not clean. So be sure to wash the entire can. This is what I do. Okay, I've cut the can already, and I have my roast beef hash in the skillet with the seasonings, and just use the seasonings of your choice. That's all you do. Just use the seasoning of your choice. And I put a little butter in the skillet. If I need to add more butter, I will. But for right now, I don't need any. And so I'm going to cook this well. Just kind of smooth it out and cook it, and then I will keep turning it. It doesn't take long. This is a pantry meal because the roast beef came from my pantry, and I had all of the seasonings and the butter, of course, from the fridge. And then I'm going to scramble some eggs. And once I get the eggs all scrambled, I'll plate it and let you see what it looks like, and I'll come back in just a few minutes. This is a simple pantry meal for breakfast. Hold on just a second, and I'll pause right here. I decided to use my salt and pepper meal, and I'm going to go in with some salt. Let you see. Okay, just a little bit. And a little pepper. This is the salt and pepper meal right there. And this is the brush to kind of clean up the top of it when you're done using it. The salt and pepper meal. Just wanted to show you guys that. These are my eggs that I'm getting ready to scramble. And what I do, guys, I even wash off my eggs before I crack them, because sometimes you may have seen, I know I have, the poop that's on the eggs, and I don't care how you inspect them in the store, it could be poop on the side that you didn't look at. So I wash them too. Okay, I'm going in, I'm using the salt meal, and I'm going to put in some salt here, just a little bit, and here's the pepper meal, and I'm going to put in pepper. See that? Okay, and I am going in with some parsley. I'm going to put a little parsley in this. Trying to move with one hand and do this, okay? And I'm going to scramble this. Sometimes I'll add just a tad bit of water or a tad bit of milk. I'm going to add a little water and beat the eggs, and then I will scramble them. I'll be right back. This is the finished product: the roast beef hash, the scrambled eggs, and toast. And this is a breakfast made for two, guys. So try you some. This is a pantry meal again. This roast beef was in my pantry, and I have cans and cans of it in the pantry. So all I have to do is just reach in there and get it. I have roast beef hash and corned beef hash. Stacks and stacks of it. And I'm going to buy some more probably this week or early next week. But I just wanted to bring you guys in and show you what is going on in Patty's Southern Kitchen. It is delicious. Just look at this. And I have some syrup, or I might want some preserves that I made. And I don't know, just might eat it without any sugar at all. But this is my breakfast for this morning. Breakfast made for two. Two of us will be eating this. So I will talk to you guys on the next exciting video. Please like, share, follow, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and by all means, please give me the thumbs up. I love each and every one of you, and I thank you all for your support and your loyalty. I will talk to you on the next time around.